Karnataka batsman Devdutt Padikkal has revealed that Mumbai batsman Prithvi Shaw's sensational form pushed him to score more runs in the Vijay Hazare Trophy. Devdutt Padikkal and Prithvi Shaw were the top two run getters in the 2021 Vijay Hazare Trophy, while Shaw amassed a record 827 runs in 8 games at an average of 165.4. Devdutt Padikkal finished with 737 runs in 7 games, averaging 147.4. Mashrafe Mortaza has criticized the Bangladesh Cricket Board for their lack of communication regarding his place in the national team. The seamer last played for Bangladesh in 2020 against Zimbabwe and was ignored for the series against West Indies this year. Mashrafe Mortaza revealed that the BCB haven't reached out to him with any proposal for a farewell series. Manu Sawhney, the present chief executive of the International Cricket Council, is on his way out of the game's governing body and the position he has occupied since January 2019. Sawhney is likely to be asked to quit his position when the governing body's board member representatives meet via a teleconference between Wednesday and Thursday. The BCCI's National Cricket Academy is going to recruit 2 coaches, batting and bowling, with emphasis on hybrid tutoring and refined cricketing education on Wednesday. Former Indian captain Rahul Dravid and the director at the NCA is overseeing the recruitment process, and BCCI president Sourav Ganguly is assisting and backing Dravid with all the formalities. Cristiano Ronaldo helped Portugal to a hard-fought 3-1 win over Luxembourg on Tuesday with his first goal of the 2022 World Cup qualifying campaign. Ronaldo bagged his 103rd international goal 5 minutes to beat Luxembourg. Serbia's Alexander Mitrovic completed a perfect week for the striker in World Cup qualifying with 2 more goals to help the Balkan nation to a 2-1 win at Azerbaijan on Tuesday and provisionally kept them top of Group A. The result left Serbia on 7 points from 3 games. World number 1 Ashley Barty advanced to the semi-finals of the Miami Open on Tuesday. Barty battled through her third 3-setter of the fortnight to oust her 7th seed Aryna Sabalenka of Belarus in 2 hours and 16 minutes on the Grand Slam court. The Australian will face either Latvia's Anastasia Sevetsova or Elena Svitolina of Ukraine following her grueling 6-4, 6-7, 6-3 win. Russia's Daniil Medvedev had an easier ride in the men's tournament on Tuesday, easing past Francis Tiafoe of the United States in straight sets 6-4, 6-3. Medvedev hammered down 11 aces in the win, breaking Tiafoe 3 times en route to victory. Medvedev will face Roberto Bautista Agut in the last 8 after the Spaniard eliminated John Isner in 3 sets to avenge his 2019 quarterfinal loss in Miami. Britain's Andy Murray would be interested in becoming a caddy or a professional golf tour or getting soccer coaching qualifications after he retires from tennis. Murray, a 3-time Grand Slam champion, pulled out of the Miami Open last week due to a groin injury.